officer ki khna pule bat ki pat ba kari Bhoi district kila shimbenta ha ka mock drill ka bala penlong da ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority da ka bala ringdur kumno ban yada na Jumai kumbala jia Jumai ba house nam khat praspa khnai punyo hari khasi. Lingba kani ka mock drill la yo ban hikai bat la yo I ya ka jinglong lakhre ki pat ba ban yada yalade ladawan Jumai ba. Khih jong ki bor peniat district kila yathu ba ka jing penlong e kani ka mock drill ka dei halor kumno ki pat ba kinle ladawan Jumai ba bat kani ka mock drill kam dei tang haki building henry wat haki mobile ro layo pediang halor ka jingwan Jumai ba ubanyu point ar magnitude. Kumta kum ka jella ka don ka jingkmi lenti ban laj na ka no ka jingjia ka basnusi ladawan Jumai ba namar ki pat ba kilatip kumno ban pelaj em yalade bat yap ki para marjan.
The liaison between the worksite manager, the hospital, the incident command system, this needs to be improved a lot because there are many gaps I have observed in the whole operation. But there is always scope of improvement since this is a mock exercise and in reality the earthquake would not give you the time, sufficient time to act. So we have to regularly practice this drill in the state of Meghalaya in every district so that all the population, local communities, civil defense, NCC, squads and other police, hospital staff, they should work in a close coordination so that we can save lots of life because earthquake is a catastrophic event and if there is a proper coordination between all the agency, then there would be more chances, more possibility to save the life of the victims. However, I want to say the operation conducted here, there are some mistakes committed by every branch and that needs to be improved, and that can be done by regular training, practice, so that they can plan, prepare and conduct. Otherwise, the population, the local administration and the volunteers have done their job with great interest and in supermarket area, and as per report of the administration there has been 7 casualties and rescue team was called. Responders have just arrived and they have conducted their operations and operation was done successfully, and after conducting the operation the victims are evacuated to the civil hospital Nangpo area. As far as my observation is concerned, the drill that has been carried out by the responder, it was not proper drill. It